Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richer on a Budget. Today we're going to check out discontinued Dollar Tree Christmas Village houses. So let's get started. So as I was researching Cobblestone Corner houses, I noticed that there are houses that I missed, and that's because I started in 2022. And so before that, 2021 and 2020, they had other houses that I totally missed because I just wasn't collecting or paying attention back then. Now that I went down the rabbit hole of researching, I was like, oh my gosh, like some of these houses are really cool and cute. And I decided to order them off of eBay and check them out and show it to you. So the first thing you'll notice is that these houses don't have any lights. So the bottom has a hole in it and it's meant for like a tea light. The only thing is with the tea light is that these flicker, and so like the lights are kind of flickering, so it kind of is not realistic, but it's okay. Maybe there's some tea lights that are not flickering that I can find. But anyway, I still like the architecture of these houses because they're kind of like vintage looking. These buildings, they're so like ornate and kind of like historic kind of buildings. And I thought it would be cool to add like some character to my village. I'm going to show you each house one by one, and you can let me know if you like them, if you want to order some online too. So let's check out the post office. I like this building because this is triangular like roof design, and it's very ornate and detailed. It feels like I am like in a Hallmark movie. It's like right one of those buildings that they have there in the little towns. So I feel like I'm in a small town, and you can check it out here. There's wreaths here, and there's like multiple windows. There's 2 floors. Here's the side view. I don't really know what that thing is, if it's a garbage can or a fire hydrant. Here's the back view. Here's the side, and here's the front again. So, do you like this post office? Does it remind you of a Hallmark movie? Let me know in the comments below. Next building is a toy village. I was really excited to get another store because I want to add to my downtown. I want to have a real kind of downtown, like with different shops. That kind of excites me. Again, this looks like it could be in a Hallmark movie. What you notice is almost like a stained glass kind of design, like a checker design here. That's what they kind of did with this collection. And here's the Toy Village sign. There's some imperfection with the glue, but I mean, it's good enough for me. There's steps here and this cute door. Let's check out the side. There's another door here. And here's the back. And here's the side. And here's the front again. Do you like this Toy Village? So here is a hotel. Again, another like cute, like small town kind of hotel style. And when you notice about all the buildings are kind of like have a brick detail, so it is kind of reminiscent of like an old historic town. So this one has multiple wreaths here, and I like that this one has like this cute awning and it has curtains in here. Can you see the curtains? And kind of like a classic, classic brown door, and there's like it's like a tile kind of like entrance. And here's the side and the back and the side again, and here's the front. Do you like the hotel? What do you think? It reminded me of Mendocino, even though there is no hotel that looks like this, but it kind of, Mendocino's kind of a small quaint town that has like cute architecture, so it just reminds me of that. Here's one of the houses, and I really like the houses in this collection, the vintage. I'm gonna call it the vintage collection because it's like before I started collecting. And this is like more of an older kind of home, and it reminds me of like a TV show home from the 80s, but I can't really pinpoint which TV show it reminds me of. You can see that the roofing kind of has like this texture, and all the roofs kind of the other houses in this collection have this kind of tile design. And you can see that there's 2 trees here, a step, and a tiny door here, and a chimney. Let's check out the side. And the back has 2 windows, and the other side, and the front. What do you think of this house? I think this is a cool house to add to my Christmas village, or anyone's Christmas village. Here's one of my favorite houses. It's a Victorian style house. I like Victorian houses because it reminds me of San Francisco. And again, these are like vintage houses. This is definitely a vintage style house, Victorian house. I mean, you don't really see that in the recent Dollar Tree collection. This kind of stands out and I really like it. So you look at the front and it kind of has a really fancy archway here. And then the door is like different. So it's different than the other current houses. And it has multiple windows and it has this tower here. And this top part of this tower almost looks like a Santa hat. Here's a side view in the back and the other side and the front again. So do you like this Victorian house? Would you run out and get this too? This is super cute, right? So we have a church here. And when I first checked out this church, the cross was upside down, so I had to fix it. I mean, I'm a Christian. This is the kind of church where the side, like, it's very skinny. The side is like the front. So it's very like intricately decorated here. Has a tree here, has some snow, has a wreath, has a bell, and a little roof for the bell. Check out the side, the back, the other side, and the front. It's the only church in the collection where you would display at the front, not like this way. It looks nicer this way. That's what I mean. So the other churches, like, you would display it this way, not this way. So this is the last building in my vintage discontinued collection. This one has 3 stained glass windows. It has a bell, has another stained glass window here, and steps here for the entrance. Here is the side view, the other side with a door. Okay, that was the back. So the back with the door, side view, and the front again. So when I bought them as a set. I bought them like 3 houses and a group of 4 houses. And I was able to find, like, it was pretty affordable. I feel like I spent like $12 to $20 plus some shipping. So it didn't cost too much. And I'm really happy to add these to my Christmas Village collection. So which house would you get? Which house is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to check out my other Dollar Tree Christmas Village videos. See you next time. Bye.